right, let us do it. Anyone got a mic? Yo, exclusive. What's that, dog?
What's up? Johnny said that he gonna kill us. Is that true?
The only thing he gonna be killing is these butt cheeks. I'm Julie.
He's not killing me. I'm Anna.
Oh, these butt cheeks about to be all in his face.
Bro, what?
Huh? What?
Don't be over here saying no gay man.
What?
Nah, I just heard somebody say some gay. I ain't gonna lie or nothing.
Nah, what you heard? Nah, you don't know what you heard.
Nah, nigga, I heard.
Nah, you did it. You did it. You don't know what you heard. You don't know what you heard. Yo,
Bro,
so what's the plan, y'all?
That's the real plan.
What? Yo, why you hate on me, man? Oh shoot!
Hey, fella, I'm just not trying to hear that.
Now you hating. Now you hating.
That's your sensitive.
All right, guys, I'm level 0, Julie.
Oh yeah, that's not good for you.
But I got a lot of heart.
Why would you swap with me if you had her level 0?
That's what I'm saying.
You know, that's
I
a
ain't
good.
smart.
You know, that's a great question. And I'll be honest, I don't have the best. Oh Oh, yo, help me, guys!
Oh, it's over with. Yeah, it's over with.
Yo, help me! Yo, who is that? Who is Leland? Which one of y'all? You watch me get my ass beat.
Nobody told you to close your door, dumbass.
Hitch closed the door. Hitch did.
Oh yeah, then I ain't know the door.
You could have opened the door.
Nigga, you 11-0 Julie 3 hits you.
You over here watching me get my ass eaten. Yo, exclusive. Yo, exclusive. You got a nice voice.
About to go open up some more shit though.
Yo, you hear me, exclusive? Who you get your voice from? Your mom or your daddy?
Bro, what? What kind of questions these beings, bro? Like, I don't even saying shit.
What? I'm just asking. Did he get his voice from his mama or his daddy?
That's not a good question.
Who you get yours?
Ask another man where he get his voice from. Like, nah, that's gonna sound weird to you, nigga.
I mean, I guess when you put it that way, maybe it sounds a little suspect, but I
don't know. Man, you ain't start putting no Diddy at the end of your sentences. You been saying some foul shit the whole time, bro.
I got my voice from my cousin.
What?
I got my voice from my cousin Stephanie.
Y'all niggas saying some weird shit.
Why are you doing this to me?
I ain't gonna say y'all niggas. I'm gonna just say you nigga. Fraud.
Look, y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all, man.
I don't give a f. You ain't about to tell me.
I don't know what to tell you, man. I never said your voice was nice. I said Exclusive's voice was nice.
I don't want you to say my voice is nice.
Your voice sound like a struggling baby gorilla.
I don't give a f. I don't give a what you're talking about at all. If you want to be.
You ever heard of baby gorilla? Or you probably have.
I don't know, and I don't give a f.
Yo, why you mad? I'm just mad because I'm dead.
I don't give
Leave me alone.
You just a gay nigga.
Your mama.
They cheated. Oh, blood, they just cheated me. God. Oh, blood, they just cheated me, first. Yeah,
So it's my fault. It's my fault you did.
Stop. Go slow.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Dang, Anna, I like the way you walk.
Bro, watch out.
he said, bro, watch out.
Yo, door slam, door slam.
You just a gay ass nigga fuzz on blood. Now I see why your name dirty.
You got the
Oh shit,
yo, blood.
I got that shit too, fuzz.
You got the exclusive, just give up. It's pointless.
Can you shut up?
Yeah, like, bro, stop talking. Cause you want some weird shit. I ain't liking it, bro.
You ain't liking it. You loving it?
What's that over there?
Lovely is wow.
I feel like that night, he just OD'ing now.
Exclusive. You want me to leave?
Please.
Okay.
Yeah, other.
Okay, I'll leave.
Oh shit! Exclusive. I put the fuse inside of the. No, I didn't. I'm tripping.
Gotta be more quiet.
Why, bro? What's up? I ain't gonna lie. If I was if I was like a white dude this time, I would have killed y'all.
Yeah, you not.